So imagine a giant high school football player designs on a big-time college football career who changes out of his uniform at halftime to perform with the cheerleading squad.
I haven't heard that one, have we? We've heard band,
yes.
but not cheering.
Yeah.
It is happening this fall in North Texas, and only on Fox 4, Richard Ray has the remarkable story of Armand Fernandez-Pierre, the ultimate team player.
Okay, a 335-pound nose tackle who has college scouts drooling pounds the sled.
I'm getting tired, but I'm still in it.
Then takes off his pads about halfway through practice to join his other team, the cheer squad.
We're probably going to work on our new halftime, do a couple stunts, probably do some jumps.
At Episcopal School of Dallas, Armand Fernandez-Pierre does it all under Friday night lights. Last week, during a season-opening win, Armand manhandled opponents for the first two quarters. Then did the cheer routine at halftime, executing a nice herky. An astounding mix that began when the football coach first spotted the cheer squad's all-star.
Met him in the cafeteria, shook his hand, he liked to crush my hand. I said, this kid's got to play football.
Coach Clayton Sanders found Armand reluctant at first. He suffered a serious neck injury playing football as an eighth grader, decided to stick with cheer as a junior, but agreed to consider playing football his senior year.
The deal was that he and my cheer coach would have to figure a way that I'd be able to play both sports at the same season.
I called UIL to make sure that everything was on the up and up and that he could do two sports, and they said absolutely.
We fought tooth and nail to keep him on just our team and our sideline, but we realize how good of an athlete he is, and we understand the opportunities that he may have with football.
One game into the season, Armand has already heard from coaches at powerhouse schools like Miami and UCLA.
Football opens a lot more opportunities for him.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Armand finds similarities in the two sports, though he approaches each with a distinctly different attitude.
It's about encouraging each other and about moving forward as a group and as a team. When it comes to football, I love being able to be, I guess, how could you say it, brutal.
Coach Sanders has made one other concession. He calls it the Armand rule. He's asked him not to go full contact on anything but the sled during practice. He's so big and strong. Coach is worried he's going to hurt his teammates.
Obviously, his massive strength and his size is really what helps us. The girls feel really comfortable with him.
I got you.
Big brother of the entire team. Never lets anybody fall and never lets anybody hit the ground.
Believe it or not, cheer is one of the most physical sports that I've ever done, and I've done a wide range of sports, including lacrosse and wrestling.
The girls go crazy whenever he makes the tackle. The girls go crazy whenever they call his name on the loudspeaker.
In my career, I've never heard of anything or seen anything like this.
Right now, I'm just enjoying what I thought was impossible.
Isn't this great? What a great guy, Rich. And I love that he calls cheerleading a sport because he knows it is, how much work he has to put into it. What a renaissance man, we'll call him.
You know, and I haven't told you the half of it.
Really?
Harry. He's gone to state and choir. He's in theater. He plays lacrosse, power lifts. He's a great student, and he works part-time, 20 hours a week with the Geek Squad. He's some kind of computer whiz. And plus, he really is a really nice young man.
You know what? His parents have to be so proud. This is just great. Absolutely. All right, so when do they decide? When do the coaches decide when he plays and when he cheers?
They say they are game planning week to week. They don't want other teams to know exactly when he's going to be on the field. He will cheer at halftime and during parts of the game. They're going to kind of mix it up, but he's going to continue to do both. It stuns me. I've never heard anything like this.
I just love it. He's a great example.
Absolutely.
He truly is. Thank you, Rich.
Thanks.